TVNE series. To meet the needs of different markets, VLTG Lighting has tailored the NE Mini series. TV NE380, TV NE360, TV NE290 for bars, banquet halls, and multi-function house. High performance, the smallest volume, is convenient for transportation and installation, and the performance to price ratio is high. TV NE380 adopts series HRI 371 watt bulb, and the light output of beam can reach 485,400 lux at 10 meters. Prism 8 prisms, 24 prisms can be used alone or overlapped to 32 prisms. The angle of the prism can reach 36 degrees, which perfectly shows the beauty of the dreaming beam. One fixed Gobo wheel, 14 Gobo plus white circle, with Gobo jitter and arbitrary position function. One color wheel, 11 colors plus white, with one 4-color effector, randomly half-color effect, rainbow effect, with two-way rotation. The double correction technology of volt and magnetic sensor is adopted. The X-Y axis is accurately positioned. Do not shift or pause after high-speed operation and reset. It can rotate at high speed and takes only 1.4 seconds to rotate 540 degrees horizontally or 270 degrees vertically. Equipped with folding light hook, easy to disassemble. Japanese NMB fan is adopted, which has efficient heat dissipation and mute effect, and the noise of the lamp is less than 58 decibels during use. It's a small size, only 492.5 times 313.1 times 255 mm. The weight is only 14.5 kg. 2-in-1 flat case can be selected, and the size is 580 times 370 times 690 mm, which greatly saves the transportation cost. VLTG series, with small size and powerful function, is the best choice for bars, banquet halls, and multi-function house. We light together.